Welcome back, everybody. Week 4. Today we are doing our giveaway. Week 4 of our giveaway is under the scope. We're going deep undercover and going to go in and I pulled some Diff oil out of my differential, and this is the old oil, and here's what we're putting in there. It actually has 75/90 from the manufacturer, but we're going to upgrade it to 75/140 because I pull the camper a lot, so it's a lot better oil. So anyway, so the first thing under the scope we're going is using the actual new stuff to show you what the new stuff looks like under the scope. Most people have never seen it. I've probably never seen it either. So we're just going to take a couple drops. You can see just a couple drops on here. I don't know if you can see it, but we're taking a few drops of that. We're going to put it on the slide. Move this over here, and we're going to move in here, and you should be able to see everything. And we're going into the 75/140 new stuff that we're switching over to because we tow so much, tow the camper a lot. Looks like the only thing we found in the new oil, the new differential oil, the 75/140, is just air pockets, air bubbles. From where I sucked it up with the suction cup, it created air pockets, as you can see. They're in right there. Pretty cool looking, but that's under a 10x powered scope. So now we're going to switch over to the regular oil. Now we're going to go from what was in the actual differential of the truck. So as you can see, we're going to take some of this out of here, try to get rid of those air bubbles. Now we're going to take a little bit of this and put it on our slide. Try to remove some of those air bubbles. There's a couple in there. I can see them right there. Hey guys, we come back here. This is week 4. Don't forget, this is our code word for this week is gears, but look at this. This is under 4X. You can start to see this is our differential. You can see these little pieces here moving around. Those are metal. We got this. You can see this metallic. As we go through and just look at all this stuff, you'll see that's a big, probably a glumped up piece of, you know, the oil starting to break down. Something just binding it all together in this little clump right here, this big clump. As you see in there, those little bits and pieces of metal moving around. That's why it's very important you change your differential fluids. As we go through here and look at this stuff, we could find more stuff. But there's a big glob of something right there. That's probably metallic. Let's see if that's metallic. Nope, it's not metallic. But this is just one drop of oil, or maybe 2 drops. You see the outline right there? That's the edge of the drop. We go back into the oil. Big old drops is probably jump starters right here built into one. See, that looks like an air pocket there. So that's just a little air pocket. See, it's trapped in from where I was sucking it out. This is all just pieces of the metal flake from the rear end. As you can see, a lot of these are moving. If you look at some of these really close, I'll zoom in. You'll see these moving. These are just little pieces of metal. See them all moving? I tow with this a lot, so this is what happens. So that's why we're upgrading from 75/90 to 75/140. It's a little bit better, especially reduces some of the heat under heavy hard loads or towing. I tow a 7,000 pound camper, so this is what you get. All right, guys, it's been great this week. You got one more week to go. This is week 4. So let's see if we dig into this a little bit. Just look. Just keep in mind, this is what's on inside your transmission, or this is inside your differential. All these little metal pieces. You see some of them moving. So have a good day. Don't forget to comment.